Visits Who Have Gone is the story of the pursuit of utopia in a place called Oroville, which was set up as a utopian experiment that started in 1968 and is still running today. But as with most of our attempts at utopia, us flawed human beings do tend to get in each other's way. And there is a darkness that took place there in Oroville. The story itself centers on a particular family tragedy, but it's set across the backdrop of a much more common human tragedy too. The human tragedy of how we tend to think that it's okay to use each other as means in pursuit of a glorious end, forgetting that we're actually messing with real human lives. There's also a darkness when it comes to how some of the stories that played out in this book really illustrate how when we are engaged with petty squabbles, we can do immeasurable damage to each other by forcing neutral parties to take a side in a battle that doesn't even need to be fought. Sometimes it's worth standing up for what you believe is right, but some things are simply not worth fighting about. And this is a lesson that brands should take to heart, particularly as more brands and more businesses are going to feel forced to take sides on contentious political issues. We need to ask ourselves if this is a fight worth getting involved in, or if it's an opportunity to actually build some bridges and find some consensus between those opposing sides.